Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new, my name is Stella, and if you're not G, thank you so much for sticking with me and for coming back. So in today's video, as you can already tell by the title, I'm going to be taking out my 3 weeks old cornrow, and then I'll be treating my hair with onion whatever, I don't know what it's called. And for this onion treatment, if you don't know, I'm very super religious, and each night before going to bed I used to pray and ask God to reveal to me any video idea that can help my channel grow even more. So I used to pray that prayer every night. So last week I had a dream of me using onion for my hair, and it was confusing at first, but in the dream it says that the onion treatment cures alopecia and shredding and makes your hair strong and healthy. But then I didn't understand it. I just woke up. I was thinking about it throughout last week, but then I decided to Google onion treatment for natural hair. Then I saw the results, like I saw so many things, but I didn't see anything about alopecia. But I saw that it helps strengthen your hair and shredding, because since I did my gel curl, my hair keeps shredding a lot and I don't know why. But then I did this rice water. I used rice water on my hair. It stopped, but not entirely. It's still shredding. I don't know why. So I don't know what to do it anymore. I've used so many things, but my hair is still shredding. But before I had the gel curl, my hair wasn't shredding. With that being said, I don't want to bore you with this intro, whatever I'm saying. Let's just get on with the video. it's been 30 minutes, guys, and I'm about to go wash off the, I don't know, but my eyes was watering the whole time because of the onion, but it has stopped. So I'm just going to go wash them off, and I'm using this Kento shampoo and conditioner. I wanted to buy the cleansing one, but this is a new product, so I just want to try it out. It's for color protecting shampoo because I colored my hair a few months ago. So, but I'm trying to cut it off though, but we'll see. Let me see how the shampoo will work. And this conditioner was hydrating cream conditioner. So that's what I've been using. I got this for about $21, which is about 8,000 naira, so it's not that expensive. I'm going to my bathroom. I don't have good lighting in my bathroom, so I'll just wash my hair and get back to you guys. I just finished washing my hair, guys. My hair feels so soft, but it's cutting badly. Like my hair shreds badly, and I think it's because of this Jerry curl. So I'll gather more and cut it off. I don't mind starting afresh again, but I'm going to cut it off. It's making my hair so unhealthy. So I'm just going to use my oil. The oil is separated, but I don't know if you can see it. It's separated. The oil is here and the onion juice is down here. So I'm just going to use it on my hair. It doesn't smell that bad though. Soft, but I just don't like the fact that my hair keeps shredding. I think the bottom line is that I'm going to cut off the Jerry curl so that my natural hair can grow naturally and healthily. So I'm going to cut it off. So I'm going to put my hair in a cornrow, like I'm going to weave it, and I wouldn't want to do that on camera because I don't want to bore you guys because I'm so bad at doing cornrow. It's going to take me forever, probably the whole night to do that. And I'm going to wash my hair again maybe in 3 days or 4 days so that I can wash this onion oil out because it kind of smells a little bit. But I'm going to put my hair in cornrow so that it won't shred even more. So that's for today's video, guys. I hope you like it and I hope the video is helpful to you. Maybe you should try it, I don't know, but it's really good. Like the onion juice for some reason got all the dirt out in my hair, and it's really hydrating for some reason, and it kills my dandruff because I had one and I couldn't find them after washing my hair. So if you want to do it, try it. It's really good. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope to see you guys next time. Please give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. Share and comment down below what you would like to see from me next, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because 90% of the people watching my videos are not subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe and help a sister. Come back next week for another video because I'm uploading every week. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Bye. Mwah.